皆さんこんにちは。Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to learn a super useful Japanese pattern that you will hear all the time. If you already know words like 誰、何、どこ, and it's, then this lesson is going to be very easy to follow. Today, I'm going to show you how these question words can become words like someone, something, somewhere, and someday. This pattern is simple, but it's very useful and we use them all the time in the conversation. So grab your notebook and let's get started. First, let's look at the basic idea. In Japanese, with question words like 誰、何、どこ, and itsu, you can just add か to make them vague words. So instead of asking for something specific, they start to refer to a person, thing, place, or time without clearly saying which one. For example, 誰 means who, but dareka means someone. Nani means what. Nanika means something. Doko means where. Dokoka means somewhere. Itsu means when. Itsuka means someday. Now, I'd like to show you some real-life examples of how native speakers actually use these words. Let's start with 誰か. 誰か. 誰か means someone or somebody. You use it when you don't know exactly who or when the specific person isn't important. You will often hear it used with different particles like が, を, に, and の. Let's look at some examples. 誰か来たよ。誰か来たよ。誰か手伝ってくれませんか？誰か手伝ってくれませんか？誰かに生き方聞いてみようか。誰かに生き方聞いてみようか。子育てについて誰かに相談したい。子育てについて誰かに相談したい。誰かいい人いないかな？誰かいい人いないかな？ Next, let's look at 何か. 何か. In spoken Japanese, people often say nanka. Nanka. Nanika or nanka means something or anything, depending on the sentence. You use it when you are talking about a thing, but you are not being specific about what it is. Let's look at some examples. 職場で何かあった？職場で何かあった？何か飲みますか？何か飲みますか？稽古宛てに何か届いてるよ。稽古宛てに何か届いてるよ。何か変な音しない？何か変な音しない？何か質問があれば聞いてください。何か質問があれば聞いてください。Now let's move on to どこか。どこか。どこか means somewhere. In spoken Japanese, people often say dokka. Dokka. You use it when you are talking about a place, but you don't know exactly where, or you are not being specific about which place. It often used with particles like ni, de, or e, depending on the verb. Let's look at some examples. 今日暇だし、どこか行く？今日暇だし、どこか行く？週末どこかに行かない？週末どこかに行かない？どこか静かな場所で話したい。どこか静かな場所で話したい。どこかでお昼食べよう。どこかでお昼食べよう。この曲どっかで聞いたことある。この曲どっかで聞いたことある。Now let's talk about itsuka. Itsuka. Itsuka means someday, one day, or sometime. It usually has a vague future feeling, so it can sound a little more emotional, dreamy, or long-term. It often used to talk about hopes, dreams, or intention without giving a specific time. Let's look at some examples. いつか日本に行きたい。いつか日本に行きたい。いつかまた会えるといいですね。いつかまた会えるといいですね。いつか富士山に登ってみたい。いつか富士山に登ってみたい。いつか地震が来るかもしれません。いつか地震が来るかもしれません。いつかゆっくりお話ししましょう。いつかゆっくりお話ししましょう。That's it for today's lesson. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for the next video. I love to hear your thoughts. Please leave a comment down below and let me know what you'd like to see in my future videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for upcoming videos. ではまた。